Hiding and unhiding worksheets in Excel can become tedious when you have several sheets. By using group mode or holding down Control while you select multiple sheets, you can quickly hide several at once. But what about unhiding? In this example, I want to be able to quickly go from seeing all of the sheets to just seeing a few summary sheets. Using custom views will allow me to quickly toggle back and forth between hidden and unhidden versions of my data. Please note if any of your worksheets use a table, you won't be able to use custom views. First, while all of my sheets are visible, I'll create a custom view by going to View and Custom Views. I'll call it All Sheets. Then, I can hide all the sheets that I want and create a second view. I'll call this one Sheets Hidden. Now, using View and Custom Views, I can quickly move back and forth to access the hidden or unhidden sheets. But what if all my sheets were hidden to start? Well, you can create your hidden view first and then check out this awesome trick from Mr. Excel to unhide all sheets in a workbook at once. Press Alt and F11, then Control G. Type this command and then press Enter. Press Alt Q to exit. All sheets are now unhidden.